Namaste sir and my dear friends. So friends, we hear that there are three types of states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gaseous state. So this is a chemistry activity and this activity is based on that states of matter. So it has three, solid, liquid and gaseous. So there are two types of substances, that is soluble and insoluble. Soluble means which can be dissolved in the water and insoluble means which cannot be dissolved in the water. For example, for soluble is sugar, salt, etc. and insoluble is soil and stone, kerosene, paint, etc. So now we are gonna make a solution which is about dissolving the salt or sugar in the water, this is a soluble substances and we are gonna dissolve it. So a question may arises in your mind, friends, that when we have dissolved this sugar or salt in a water, it will be disappear and the color and taste of a water is changed. So how it happened, why it happened? So I will tell it how it will happen. So when we dissolve the salt or sugar in a water, first when we stir it, it will become faster to reduce the size of a salt or sugar particle into micro particles or solvent particles. If we stir means fast, otherwise it will take very more time to happen this. So when it becomes smaller particle, it will adjust themselves into liquid atoms. Between two atoms some gap will be there, in that they will adjust. So we heard that the liquid atoms has looser than the solid atoms. It has looser atoms. The gap of the atom is loose than a solid atoms. So a solid is tight and liquid is some loose. So between that gap it will fix and it will adjust themselves. Because of that only color and taste will change of the water. So now we can see that. Let me demonstrate it in practically. So now I am making salt solution, okay, and you can see that first understand is water is no color, has no taste, okay, you can now see. And now I am adding the salt. The materials required to make is glass cup, spoon and some salt. So I am adding 3 spoons of water, 3 spoons of salt. So I added, and you can currently see that the size, the shape and the color of the water is being changed. If you can see, means the shape also some change happened. It has some mass. When it is a clear water, it has no mass. When we add some substances, it has some mass or weight. So I am stirring. You can see the color of water has been changed and nothing is appear, or we can see inside what happening, but I am saying still salt is not dissolved, and now it is dissolving. The water's color changed because it is still adjusting. In that process the color will be changed of the water into the salt color, that is whitish. You can see some water. I am stirring it fast to happen fast. Okay friends, now we can see it is completely dissolved. Some is there, but it is been dissolved. So here, now it is completely dissolved in water. Now we can see the color of water is some change. And that time it was fully white, but now it has been changed some, because now it is completely dissolved. When it was adjusting, the color of water will become whitish because the particle color is white. So when it has been adjusted, it will become as normal color, and if I stir more, it will become as watercolor only. But now the taste of the water will be changed, because now if we add sugar to water, it will become sweet, and if we add the salt to the water, it will become sour. So you have heard about lemonade. So the same process is used to make of lemonade also. So I hope you have understood this, the preparation of salt solution. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.